Guess what time it is? It's farmers market season. Let's talk about where, sorry. I'm so excited, we're shaking the table. Sorry. Let's talk about where we're going today. So today is Sunday. We will be going to the Logan Square Farmers Market, and let's talk a little bit about it before we get there. So the Logan Square Farmers Market opened up this year as of 2023 on May 14th, and it'll be running through October 29th on every Sunday, starting at 9 a.m. and going until 3 p.m. Central Time. And it is specifically located on Logan Boulevard between North Milwaukee and North Whipple. I will include a little map here, specifically where to find it, but it's a very decent sized farmers market. I've not been to any others in Chicago yet, so I can't really speak on its size compared to others, but it felt very big to me, where it was not only were there a ton of stands, but also in the grassy area east directions, yes, east. There's a bunch of like thrift stores that have little spots set up. There are people selling their clothes, jewelry, books, a lot of really fun stuff there as well. There are so many different stations. I don't know how many. This is a general layout that they have on their website for you to peruse, but there's definitely so much there. You can spend a lot of time there, and it's a really great area. Super, very dog friendly, very family friendly. They have coffee, food. I feel like that's a spoiler though, but there's a lot of different food options, drink options, non-food or drink options. It's just really fun to kind of go look around, support local businesses, which we love, and have a good time and start your Sunday off or have a fun little adventure your Sunday afternoon. Highly recommend going. There's so much there. You will not find something. I feel like there's something for everyone there, which is really great. It is a beautiful day in Chicago today, so Bobby and I are going to walk over. Parking situation, that's a lie, I have driven there before. I don't remember where we parked. I'd probably recommend potentially training in or parking on maybe a side street in a neighborhood. Always make sure though that it says no permanent parking because you don't want to get a ticket. But super easy to walk to. If you want to divvy and bike there, also a very valid option. I didn't really see any bike racks in the area for you if you rode your own bike, but I'm sure I just wasn't really looking for it. So maybe there are some around there, but super nice area, very accessible. There's no stairs of any type. There are a lot of people, I will note, so just if you want to feel a little bit of a sardine, or you don't mind feeling a little bit like a sardine, you'll be okay, but it's very accessible. It's on, I want to say it's kind of is it grass? Now I'm not thinking, I'm really wondering what it was, but I know there are people pushing strollers and whatnot over it, so wheelchairs or anything like that, you can easily move along. Let's go check it out. I'm so excited to bring you. And the start of farmers market season begins. We're starting off with Logan Square. I have a couple others marked on my calendar that I want to make sure I stop by, but definitely comment below what your favorite Chicago farmers market is, because I want to try to get to as many as possible this summer. And I feel like this is just such a fun time to see what the local businesses have to offer and also just enjoy the nice weather. Hashtag summertime shy. I've heard the hype around it, so this is our first time experiencing, at least in the city, summertime shy. So as the TikTok quote goes, prepare to be sick of me. That's probably a quote from something else, but I know it from TikTok. Let's go. one last thing before the fun begins. I forgot to mention that admission is free, so 0 charges to get in. A very important detail. Now we can go to the fun part. Alrighty guys, we are posting up by a tree. First farmer's market review of the year. I'm biased because I've been to Logan Square's farmer's market before, so I know how good it is, but we're gonna rate things based off of food. We're gonna rate them off of like other fun items, like non-food items, we'll say. It's so loud, hold on. And the last thing we'll score it off is vibes. So food right away, I've had the lumpia and it was quite good. I'll give it an 8 out of 10. There were lots of free samples. There was free samples at the nut station, blueberries. Why did I say blueberries like that? Cheese. But we love free things, so samples are great, food's good. Bobby's had the elotes here before, which is really good. Yeah, overall the food was really good. The non-food items, I feel like Logan Square's farmer's market's pretty big. So they had like flowers and composting, which is really, I love the composting station and like the actual composting bucket, whatnot. But there's so many things to look at. You could easily spend at least an hour here just looking and then going back around deciding on what you'd actually want to get. Super easy to spend a lot of time there though. And then vibes, we're gonna give, I didn't rate the non-food items, we'll give it a 9 out of 10 because there was a lot that you could do elsewhere. vibes are giving a 10 out of 10 because it's a very family-oriented area, neighborhood. Everyone's having a good time. Also, there are dogs everywhere, which I will find this out when I go to other farmers markets if there are as many dogs, but there are dogs everywhere. So highly recommend bringing your dog. But if your dog doesn't like a lot of different smells and people, maybe not, but it's really great to just kind of bring everyone out for. So yeah. Oh, and I got fresh juice, so let's taste test that. Ah, there's leaves falling. I got fresh juice, so let's taste test that. Let me set you up right here. This is not a great angle. This is ASMR. This is the best one. This is really good. It's raspberry probiotic cold pressed juice. This is so good. I'm playing a dangerous game wearing this white shirt. Not only because I'm messy, but also because my period's supposed to start soon. So we're playing a very dangerous game. Kind of like chicken, but with my period. Alrighty. 10 out of 10 though. Cheers. That could have been bad. This is good. It's haul time. Excuse the flushed and like sweaty look. We walked there and it's a very warm day in Chicago today, so that's why we're looking a little disoriented. So this is what we all got. You guys already saw we got some lumpia. I'm gonna go through all of these. I don't remember a lot of their names, but I'll include pictures of where we went if you're interested in going there as well. But you already saw we had the lumpia, which was delicious, and then we also had a coffee, which was very strong but very good as well. But let's see what else we got. So this is from Yo Berry Gourmet, I believe. This was the raspberry probiotic. Please don't put antibiotics in juice. That would not be good for anyone's gut. It'd probably also just build resistance to the antibiotics, which we don't want either. But this was that juice I drank before. This is so good. I also love the little strawberries in it. That's so fun. We got some tomatoes. Look how cute they are.
Wow.
We got 2 little cartons of tomatoes. These look really great. We're really excited for these. We can add these onto like salads. I think salads will probably be the biggest thing that these will play a part in too. Also, you can easily snack on them. 2, we got some hot sauce. I don't know if you say it's co-op sauce. Correct me if anyone working for them works there. Let me know how to say that, because I read as, it says like co-grater sign up. I read co-op. Co-grater op. I don't know. But they had all these little hot sauces, which we're really big fans of. Our hotness and spiciness here. And it's the cherry bum chili sauce. It's so cute. So cute. We're excited for this. It could easily be put on like hard-boiled eggs, which we made a bunch this week. You could do scrambled eggs. You could add it to like chicken. I feel like you can easily add this to a lot of different things, and I'm excited to try like the cherry chili flavor. profile. And then, oh, we got some jerky from Jake's Country Meats. This one is barbecue pork jelly. No, not jelly. Barbecue pork jerky. I was like, jelly, scary. And then jalapeno pork stick bites. Both of these are really exciting. And I've never had flavors like this. So we'll be very excited to try these as well. And I think that's all we got today. We have some napkins because I hate messy hands. We have hand sanitizer because we gotta fight germs. And tampons because we're waiting for it to show up. So that's everything we got. This is the first farmers market we've been to this year so far. So I'm really excited to go back and explore other farmers markets. Let me know if you've been to the Logan Square Farmers Market before and what your favorite stand was. I feel like it somehow felt bigger than last time. I also hadn't gone that many times, so my perception could be completely off, but there was so much going on. You'll have a blast. Highly, highly recommend. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll catch you next week or next time I upload a video. Stay safe, go outside, wear sunscreen, drink water, and I'll see you later.